Hey guys, I thought today I would do a really quick video on how to purchase an SVG and upload it into Cricut Design Space. So let's just jump right in. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. Hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future content, and hit the like button for this video if you want to see more content like it. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna put a picture up here of what I'm actually doing on my screen so that I can tell you and show you at the same time. So first things first is we need to download an SVG file. So I am here on Love SVG, and I'm gonna go to their free SVG cut files. There are daily freebies, member only freebies, subscriptions, shop. You can shop for bundles and fonts and on your account here. So I'm just gonna go to the free ones right now. I'm gonna go to animals and pets. Click that. You do need to set up an account before you do this, so make sure that you have an account set up. It's real easy, it's free. So I'm going to go here to all products and search dog. Hit search, let that go through. So let's just see, okay, I like this one because dogs, just choosing one. And all you're gonna do is, you can see here, it's an SVG file, DXF, I actually don't know what that stands for, EPS, I don't know what that stands for, and PNG. I don't know what that stands for, but I know that you can also use that in Cricut Design Space. So I'm going to go over here, and where it says download now, you click download now. We'll open that up. And here it is. You can see it's under my downloads because dogs file. Okay, so now I know where it is saved to. So I'm going to exit out of that and go over here to Cricut Design Space. I'm going to go to new project. You could also click new project, that was over here. And we're going to upload a file. So we're going to upload an image, browse, and remember I had it in downloads because dogs. So I'm actually going to go here and pick the SVG file because I know 100% that works. There's that file. That's what's going to cut out. And you can enter keywords over here. So we'll put because dogs, comma, dogs, dog cutout, all of that. Image name, we'll rename that so that we know that when we're searching for it, we know what we're looking for, because dogs. And you hit, I don't know why this is showing up there, you hit upload. So there you go. There it is in Cricut Design Space. So now let's go over here back to new project, and we're going to hit template just because. Let's say we're going to put it on an apron. So there's your apron file. Now when you go to cut, it actually doesn't show the template at all. This is just for sizing reference. So we're going to go to images, search in all images, and type because dogs, hit enter, and there's your file right there. So you click it, you see the green box goes around it, a ring around it, and you hit insert images. So now you know that this apron is 32 inches long, and like from here to here, 4, 8, about 24 inches or so across, not quite. So now you know that when you set this on here, you can actually resize it like this, and that's the easiest way to get like an even resizing. If you were to unlock this and change it on your own, and you change the width, sorry, let me unlock it. You were to change the width to 12, but not the height, it stretches it out to where it doesn't look normal. So I can hit this button up here, that's a back button, and it shows there. And there it is, that's it. That's the easiest way. I wanted to do a really quick, easy video for you guys to see how to upload a file. Same thing goes for Etsy. Let me open that up real quick and see if I can find a file that I've purchased that's still available. Sometimes on Etsy, if you purchase a file but you don't download it quick enough, it will go away. So you want to download it immediately so that you have that. Let's see. Searching. You can see all the things that I've purchased years and years and years ago. Here's one. So this is one that I purchased, The Cold Never Bothered Me Anyway, for my niece. I'm actually going to go back to my purchases here, and you would hit download file, download, same thing, open it up there, and you can see it's in my downloads, frozen, The Cold Never Bothered Me Anyway. So exit. If I went over here, I go to upload, you go through the same thing. I believe I've already put this in here, so we can do it again just because to show you guys. Download, Frozen, I'm going to choose the SVG. See how you can see here it's SVG, PNG, EPS, DXF. Actually, I'm going to choose the PNG so that you can see it's the same thing. Here, it's asking you to select the image type. Your image will be uploaded as a single layer. Select the option that best matches the complexity of your image. This ensures that you get the best tools to work with your image. So this is not a real complex image, so I'm choosing simple. Continue, select and erase. So this is where you can actually clean up the image. To me, this looks really good, but if you wanted to clean it up, you can zoom in here and you can erase things from here. So where's my eraser? Advanced options. Oh, here, sorry. All right, so there's the erase button right here. So let's just say I wanted to erase something and I erase that D. Cool, the coal never bothers me anyway. Oh, whoops, I didn't mean to erase the D. So I actually just need to click up here and click undo and the D is back on there. So if I'm just gonna click continue because this looks good to me, there it is. For me, I'm going to put it as a cut image because I'm not doing print to cut. For myself, I've never done a print then cut image. I tried. I don't have the correct printer. As soon as you have the correct printer, you can do that, but that's a whole nother day, a whole nother lesson. So the cold never bothered me anyway. We're going to go to keywords here, put that in there. We'll put Elsa, Elsa, comma, Disney. Click upload. So there's that. Now we know, we'll go back over to templates, apron. Okay, here we are back in here. So we're going to actually just move this over. And because I don't want to see that image right now, I'm going to click the eyeball and it takes that image away. But look, it's still there. If you unclick the eyeball, it's still there. It will not cut if it's not showing up on your template. So we're going to go to images. We'll search Elsa because that's the shortest one to look for. Let's see, where's mine? Oh, that's right. We named it The Cold Never Bothered. So there it is twice because you can see that I put it there and put it there. Click that, hit insert image, and there she is. So you could put that on an apron, maybe for a little kid, for an adult, whoever loves that. And then you would click make it. My machine isn't on, so it's not actually going to find my machine. Okay, so in this particular instance, it did not like weld those letters. So we actually need to go and click this whole thing and hit weld so that everything prints the exact way you want it. Click make it. And there it is. It prints exactly how it looks in that image. If you don't weld it, you'll see those jumbled up letters. So on and so forth. If you're doing it on heat transfer vinyl, you want to make sure to hit mirror. If you're doing it with regular vinyl to go on anything else, you would leave it as is. Since I was looking at putting it on an apron or a t-shirt or whatever, it would be heat transfer vinyl. So we're going to click mirror and then you would hit continue. Again, my machine's not on. You can see it's covered up back there. So I'm not actually printing any or cutting anything out today. I just wanted to show you how to download a file and upload it into Cricut Design Space. So I hope that helped. I hope that was an easy tutorial, a real quick way to download and upload into Cricut Design Space. I've talked about that in other, I've made reference to that in other videos and I've never actually shown you guys how to do it. So I thought this was a really easy way to do it. I see that I'm at about 8.5 minutes and I don't want this to go long. So you guys have a great day. Have fun downloading and uploading and doing all that. Etsy, love SVG. There's a lot of free SVG files out there. So go check those out and let me know in the comments down below if there's another Cricut Design Space easy tutorial you'd like to see, if there's something that I can do real quickly to show you guys. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Bye. All right. Let me open up Cricut Design Space. So I hope that helped. I hope that was an easy, I will talk to you guys next time. Okay.